This is what I'm recording at the end of the video. This test is going to be extremely chaotic. In Cline, I can see OMLX is giving 128k token. I started with testing Gemma 4 12B 4-bit versus 8-bit. Then we added Qwen to the rescue. We tried Cline, we tried Continue.dev, we tried OMLX, we tried LM Studio, and my laptop got shut down because of huge RAM usage. Gemma 4 12B is current hot topic right now. So it is out for last 4-5 days and people are going crazy with it. So I already did a test on my channel. You can see here or here. You can see those tests on Gemma 4. But today we are going to do some vibe coding test with Gemma 4 12B. So I have two models, Q8 and Q4. So we'll be testing both of the models, like how quantization work, and it's if 4-bit is better or 8-bit is better. So yesterday what I found out, on 4-bit I was getting around 10 to 12 tokens per second. So before starting this video, I want to take 30 seconds from you. This channel is dying. Just because you guys are watching the videos, you are watching the test, you are watching, I'm getting good amount of watch hour, alright? But the problem I'm getting that people are not subscribing. So if you do not subscribe, this channel will literally die in some time, because this is what's happening to lots of other channels. They are testing, they are new, but without subscription. Yes. So please support and subscribe my channel so that I can bring more testing for you guys. I also have a Windows machine with RTX 4080. So if you want, I can do some AI testing on that computer also. So please do subscribe. So here we go. So we have VA Studio already open. So you can see I'm also running OMLX. Okay. And this is having Gemma 4 12B IT Optic 4-bit. OMLX is a very good software for Mac, and you can download all the MLX model here. And I already have configured this OMLX with Continue. You can see. So today we are going to make a chat app. So we will be trying if this model is capable of making a minimum viable product, an MVP. All right. So let's give it a first prompt. So I've given my first prompt, and I don't think the model is loaded. Model is loading, and let's start the activity monitor. Yes. So we have this 4-bit model out here, which is only 8.9 GB, and I hope it do not exceed 30 GB of RAM usage. So it's thinking now. Let's see what happens. So you can see it already gave me the result. It's hardly took few minutes. The whole structure is ready. Now it's asking what to do next. So let us ask to do user model. Let us start with creating user models first. So this is actually quite fast, right? So every few minutes it's just creating things. Yes. Create message model or set up database configuration. Okay, create message model. Let's see how much time it takes. I'm not going to stop the video for now. It's just 4-bit model. Remember, it's 4-bit quantized model from Gemma 4 12B. And we have memory usage of 26.76 GB just because we have Chrome open, and I know you cannot see that OBS is also opened. So OBS alone takes around 2 to 3 GB of RAM, and also I'm recording at the same time. So you can see a little bit of search here, and it's creating the model. Let's see. And we have this settings. Let's go to settings. Let's see the token generation, wired GPU. Okay, it's fair enough. It's fair enough. I can also open the web dashboard. So here we go. So all right, the message model is created. Now let's keep let's do one chat only. Now create database. Now create auth screen. Now create auth screen. Okay, let's create the auth screen first. Okay, it's done. Now it's asking what to do next. So I would suggest create chat UI. Okay, so far it's going good. It's okay. Let's see what happens next. But I have started to doubt, because in view you can see it's auth.html file and there's nothing in public, route, src, test, utils. Okay, I'm not sure that what kind of framework it will be using, but let's see how it creates the chat UI and what kind of page it gives. Then I think we can tell it to change the coding framework or something like that. Okay, so it's done with the chat UI. It took a little bit of time to do. Now next we can do the backend setup. Okay, let's do the backend setup, and then we can do database integration, and then we can do user management. Okay, I have sent it the prompt. It's loading the model. Now let's wait and watch. Okay, there's one thing I want to show you guys. It gave a command pip install plus, so it was installing it globally, but it failed. Then automatically it generated new command where it's installing Python on virtual environment, so it is that understandable. Okay, so database structure is created. You can see it's saying that it's already created everything. So now what we will do, we'll be doing front-end integration and then UI UX improvement of the app. So this is important right now because front-end and APIs are important. So it's saying it's done. Let us run it then. Okay, run the app and backend. It had some hiccups, but it's automatically fixed itself. So let's run the backend and see if it will run or not. So finally the app is running after a little bit of effort from my side, and let me try to run the app. Okay, 1 2 3 4 A B C D. Sign up attempt config. Let's see, try it. Login attempt config. Okay, so yeah, so basically it can code. So here is my verdict again. So basically it can code. It's looking somehow like WhatsApp design a little bit. This is the login page, this is the chat page, but it can code. It can help you if you are a new user or doing small tasks. It can actually do things, but it's not that capable that it will run big structured app and keep in the memory that what are the context and how it should do. But whatever it is, it's pretty fine. It's not that bad. Okay, yeah. So next up, let us try with Ollama or LM Studio, and I've tried in Continue.dev right now. So we'll be testing the same thing on LM Studio with 8-bit quantized model on Cline. Let's see if Cline can do a better job with an 8-bit quantized model or not. All right. Okay, so now we have created a new folder called free_chat, and here we will be working with Cline. So I have already connected Gemma 412B from LM Studio. Here's the model, you can see. Just a second. Okay, here is the model, you can see it is already connected. Now let us give the prompt and let us start with a bigger prompt. Okay, like make a chat app with auth, dashboard, and chat screen, and database 2. Okay, let's see what it do. So we started thinking, and let us open the developer logs. So you can see it's already loaded and it's processing the prompt, and there is the memory usage. So I will be stopping this OBS for now so that it goes faster. Let's see how it handle the work. Okay, so it's been hours. So we started around 4 o'clock. It's like 8:30 right now, and you can see what's happening. It's going on loop. Okay, it's just going on loop. So yeah, it is working. It's taking time. It is on loop, taking a lot of time thinking, and it's just going on. In Qwen, what you can see is the this context window, total context used, total remaining context, token usage, and yes, Qwen continues just like that. Where I was thinking to change the model, like if I don't know if it will work or not. The context is already feeded to Gemma 4. Now if we change, sometimes if we change the AI model, it do not work. Okay, so let me try with Qwen3 Coder 30B. Let's see if it can complete the work or not. Let me eject it. So I have ejected the previous model, and let me resume the task with Qwen3 Coder 30B. Let's see if it can finish the work or not. I've stopped recording right now because you can see the memory usage is already 28 GB, and let me stop it for now. And we also have a swap memory of 2.7 GB. That is huge. So whatever the outcome is, I'm going to show you in some time. Okay, so I have to unload the model, and I am starting with a new session, and I will just give it a small prompt, finish the app. It looks small. Okay, this might look a small prompt, but it is not. So basically, finish the app is a very big prompt, because the AI will now go through the whole app structure, everything. It will see and search what is finished, what is not finished, and then it will continue from there. So let us send the prompt. Let's see what happens. So you can see the model is loading. I think the model is loaded completely, and we are having some error with the token and the model. It's larger context length to work. Okay, so the problem is with the context length. So I have to change the context length first. Qwen3 Coder. Okay, see, the context length is smaller than what is there. So let us give around 17,000 context length. Now let us resume the task. I think it will work now. This context length is 16.9K, and there it was around 8K. So let us see the developer console out here. Okay, so it started working. Streaming respond, and you can see the memory went up to 28 GB, and it will go up to 30 GB or something like that. So better I will stop the recording right now, and once it's complete, I'm going to share. Okay, now we are seeing one big issue, that the model is crossing 30 GB, 32 GB of RAM, and the model is getting ejected, and again it was getting fetched by Qwen. But the problem is that it is reading all the files one by one, again and again of the loop. So I think this is not a feasible option. What I will do, I will close Qwen right now fully, and I will try with continue.dev. Okay, so in continue.dev, I have this few models. I have 30B also, Qwen Coder 30B. Can you see? Okay, so let us try with Qwen Coder 30B again. Let me eject it from LM Studio, and let me. Okay, so this was from the previous chat. Okay, so let us start a new session. Finish this app. So here we can also understand if continue.dev is better than Qwen or not, right? So we will be having, rather than doing only Gemma 4 8-bit versus Gemma 4-bit, we started doing, comparing it with Qwen Coder 30B, and also Cline and Continue.dev on VS Code. Let's see what happens. So something weird happened. My computer got restarted because I ran out of memory and extreme swap uses. So yeah. So it's a total failure of this coding task. So local model can code, but probably maybe next time. But today we are going to finish this app. Like we started it, we'll finish it. So how will we finish it? We will try with OMLX. All right, let's see what happens, because OMLX cleared out the cache. It did not go through the whole RAM and system. Yeah, let's see. Let us close LM Studio first. Okay, quit LM Studio. Yeah, now let us start OMLX. Oh my god, OMLX. I told you before. See, OMLX is a good app. It runs nicely and it do not shut down your computer suddenly. But yes, our PC got shut down because of this high usage, and this is something new to me. This happening. Okay, we have here GPTOS 20B and we have Qwen 3.6 27B. So as we are going with Qwen models, let us load Qwen models only. Okay, so again, okay, so finally we are here. Okay, there was a problem with the config file, and yeah, I made a big mistake. Rather than commenting out this whole section, I commented out only this section, and this line I left. So it was not detecting. Now it is detecting. So now as it is detecting, let us try to tell it, okay, fix this. Let's see what happens. Okay, I am going to stop recording right now again, but it's still OMLX. I don't think it will crash our MacBook Pro M5 32GB, but still let's see. Okay, this session is getting very chaotic. Okay, like we are doing a chaotic test. It's extremely chaotic test with the AI models. Let us see. Okay guys, you need to check this. I have configured OMLX with Cline, right? You can see it's Cline. Now the best thing in Cline, I can see OMLX is giving 128k token. How? Like this is the best thing I have ever seen. Like this is, I wonder how. So basically what it is doing, OMLX have this capping first. Okay, so this is the best software you can use for rather than Olama or LM Studio right now. And this is really awesome. See, it have a capping of soft and hard RAM uses. And can you see this SSD? So it's actually keeping some memory in SSD, which is not swap memory, by the way. Okay, so it's keeping some cache on SSD, which is around 92GB, so that it can handle 128k tokens easily. And you can see the client is working well right now. It is going through all the files properly. Let's see what happens. It is 27B model. It is a little bit slower, you can see. But yes, it is doing some great thing. So we are currently having cache read from processing token of 189.4 tokens per second, right? It is Qwen 3.6 27B 4-bit. This is already a good model, and you can see the RAM is still on cap. So it is going to 29GB, 30GB, then it's again going back to 26GB, 27GB. Let it continue then. So here it is, guys. It's 10 o'clock now, and I have spent my entire afternoon, evening, and it's 10 o'clock at night, and it's finally done. As you know, we started with this Cline and OMLX, and we got a cache. We got a context cache of 4.3GB, which is around 222 cache tokens. And this is total pre-filled tokens. Okay, uh, let me clear it out. Okay, so here the app. Where's the app? Okay, here is the chat app. You can see it's good. It's okay. I made a smoke test. Hi, see, it's coming. It's working. Uh, what I found out that if you are working with a small model or local LLM, um, try to give small context. I was being crazy and giving out so many context, big context, but this works, and this also proves that somehow Qwen is better at coding than Gemma 4 12B models. But still, Qwen is like 27 billion model. What have we tried? Qwen Coder 30 billion model we tried, and Gemma 4 is also good. Gemma 4 Q8 or Gemma 4 Q8 or Gemma 4 Q4. They both are good models, and you can use it for tool calling, small coding task or autofill. But yes, if you want to do long coding tasks with Gemma 4, I would suggest think twice. Use a better model, a bigger model. You can go for Qwen. You can go for Qwen 3.6 27B with Q4 model, okay? 4-bit quantized model also. I use Q4 like 4-bit quantized model, and I can see the result. But yes, you can code locally with local AI, local LLM. You just have to choose right tool and right model. See, I could have tried Eder or I could have tried open code, but I wanted to give it a reason. I want to make the taste hard. I wanted to stress these models, how much it can go. Also, I wanted to know how much this MacBook M5 can handle. So here it is, guys. This is the video, and I hope you like it. And if you like this video, please do subscribe. Again, I'm going to tell you that do not let this channel die. All right. Till then, bye. Have fun.